Hi, this is Brianna with 21st Century Leader Video Journal, focused on the International Society for Technology and Education Standard Number 5 Digital Citizenship, which states educational administrators model and facilitate understanding of social, ethical, and legal issues and responsibilities related to an evolving digital culture. This particular standard is broken into substandards, which I'm going to speak on individually. Substandard 1 states, ensure equitable access to appropriate digital tools and resources to meet the needs of all learners. I plan on addressing this substandard by ensuring that all teachers have district-approved technology items, such as a laptop and digital camera, that they are in working order, and that all classrooms have student devices per the district instructional technology model. Substandard 2 states, promote, model, and establish policies for safe, legal, and ethical use of digital information and technology. Some ways that I plan to address this substandard are to conduct professional development on digital citizenship throughout the year, review the rules of technology use that all staff sign at the beginning of the school year, as well as implement the Common Sense Media digital citizenship curriculum in all classes. As a classroom teacher, I have implemented this in my classroom, and I have seen success in the ways that students use their digital citizenship on school technology, and I would like to be able to implement as an administrator school-wide. Substandard 3, promote and model responsible social interactions related to the use of technology and information. A way that I plan to address this is to model digital citizenship in all technology correspondence, email, school websites, school social media accounts, as well as my personal social media accounts, making sure that I am modeling the correct ways that we use technology on campus for my staff and students. Substandard 4 states, model and facilitate the development of a shared cultural understanding and involvement in global issues through the use of contemporary communication and collaboration tools. A way that I plan to address this is continued professional development and discussions on the topic of digital citizenship. Also allowing my teachers to do things like pen pals across the country and have assignments where they collaborate with other students and other teachers to bring in a communication across the globe. By addressing each of these substandards, I am able to model and facilitate an understanding of social, ethical, and legal issues, as well as the responsibilities related to an evolving digital culture in both the staff and students at a school site.